This video will talk about how to create a protocol and edit a protocol. First, let's introduce three fundamental terminologies: frequency pair, protocol, and profile. Each frequency pair defines the microcurrent parameter of the output of two channels. Protocol. Each protocol holds one or more frequency pairs. A therapy protocol is used to treat one symptom. Profile. A profile holds multiple therapy protocols. A user profile is usually used for a patient or a typical usage. Each patient may have a different profile. Here is a typical file structure for a profile. The profile is here, along with multiple protocols below it, and within each protocol are multiple frequency pairs. Let's look at a real example to show you how to create a protocol. Assume we're going to create an SFM protocol for facet joint pain. This is your standard SFM language. I will now show you how to create a protocol. You can either open the Inspirstar profile editor here in blue, or the Inspirstar protocol editor here in green, which is what we will use for this example. To enter a protocol, begin by typing in the description. So we will be using facet joint pain. From here, we'll follow along on the SFM language. As standard procedure, when entering the first line, make sure all the parameters are correct. Once you have completed entering the SFM protocols, save this by entering File, Save Protocol As. Be sure to name it correctly. So this will be facet joint pain. After you save the file, you can open File Explorer to show that the file has been created. Under Documents, ISO2, Protocols, and down here at the bottom is what we created to. As I mentioned before, you can also create a protocol using Profile Editor here in blue. Open Profile Editor and double-click on one of the lines. From here, you can again enter in your protocols as needed. To edit a protocol, go to File Explorer and click to open the protocol. Let's say you want to change the intensity from 100 to 40. Instead of changing it manually on each line, you can simply go to Global Change and select the parameter you would like to make the adjustment to. As you can see, the intensity has changed from 100 to 40 on each line. Be sure to save your edits, and I like to enter in the change I made. Again, you can verify it has been saved by going to File Explorer, ISO2, Protocols, and then scroll down. Here you'll see our original, and here you'll see the updated version. You can also edit a protocol by using Profile Editor here in blue. Open Profile Editor and click Import to import a protocol. From here, the following steps are the same. Simply double-click to open and make any changes you see necessary. As you can see, creating and editing protocols is very easy, and there are multiple ways to do so. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@inspirstar.com. Thank you.